In June 2023, Great Wolf Lodge opened its 20th resort in Perryville, Maryland. This lodge is currently the newest as well as the largest lodge in the Great Wolf portfolio, boasting 700 suites along with a 124,000 square foot indoor water park. This Great Wolf is definitely one to have a fun-packed long weekend. Just 1 year after opening, we took a long weekend for my daughter's second birthday. We arrived early Friday morning to take full advantage of the arrival day water park access. When we checked in at 10 a.m., our room was ready for us, and we brought our things up. One side note is that these elevators, when not in use, automatically descend to the ground floor and the doors open, so you do not have to press the up button to go up. Just walk in and press where you want to go. Our suite was a kids' camp suite, which has a queen bed and a pull-out day bed in the main part of the room, as well as a set of bunk beds and another twin bed in a separate room. If you have a little one, the bottom bunk is great because it is only about 1 foot off the ground, and there is a small lip to help prevent rolling out of bed. Now, for the adults, this may pose a problem because this bed is very difficult to get out of from experience. The standalone twin next to the bunks does sit a little bit higher off the ground, but the sides are slightly higher as well. Inside of the bathroom, there is shampoo and conditioner as well as shower gel, so you're able to leave yours at home if you do not want to bring them. At the sink, there is also lotion, so you can check that one off your list of things to pack as well. One thing to note about the room is that there is a mini fridge, but there is not a microwave. So if you wanted to heat up some leftover pizza, I hope you brought your own microwave. If you're like me and can't get enough cold pizza, you're gonna be fine. But if not, that may be a problem for you. Walking through the front doors of the lodge, you are met by a large fireplace that you can find at every Great Wolf Lodge. Something special about this fireplace is that there is a screen on the backside that during the day looks like a painting, but at night can play stories like Luna the Wolf. Throughout the day, there are a number of other activities that can be found in the lobby around the fireplace, including a dance party, morning yoga, playtime, character meet and greets, and more. All of the entertainment, activity, and dining options will all be found on the first floor at the Perryville Great Wolf. Other lodges, like Mason, Ohio, has some activities and shops spread across several floors, which can clog up the elevators, as well as make for a noisy stay if your suite is near where these activities are located. At Perryville, even the first floor suites are far enough away from the commotion you should be in store for a relaxing stay, pending any crazy kids running around at 11 o'clock at night. The Perryville location has several other iconic Great Wolf entertainment options. Magi Quest is the largest dry activity by square footage found in Perryville. Starting at the Magi Quest Marketplace, young Magi can cast spells throughout the forest, which is spread all throughout the first floor. If you are looking for something that will tire both the kids and parents out, Magi Quest is probably the one. Because if you cannot trust your kids doing things by themselves, be prepared to do a lot of running around. Located inside of the Oliver's Mining Company store is the Moonstone Mirror Maze. Inside of the Mirror Maze are several interactive activities that deal with mining moonstone, and at the end, a large cart full of moonstone appears from behind a mirror before exiting back into the shop. Some other non-water activities found inside is Ten Paw Alley, which is a duck pin bowling alley, and Northern Lights Arcade. High above the center of the entertainment facilities is Howler's Rope Course, which is a 2-level rope course. Underneath the ropes course is Howlin' Mini Golf, where the family can play after a long day in the water park. Right inside of the lodge lobby is Buckhorn Exchange Gift Shop, where you will find all of your Great Wolf memorabilia. Inside of this retail location, you will find Great Wolf Candy Company, as well as Build-A-Bear Workshop. Across from Buckhorn and next to the front desk sits Freshwoods Market, where you can get bottled soda, snacks, and a few other things you may find in a convenience store. The last venue that shares the lobby is the full-service dining location of Barnwood. Barnwood has a fantastic selection of items ranging from a smokehouse burger to half a chicken, as well as a good selection of kids' meals as well. There is also a bar inside where mom and dad can get a drink with dinner. Walking into what Great Wolf calls Adventure Park, Woods End Creamery and Dunkin' Donuts meet you to take care of your morning and evening cravings. Next door is Hungry as a Wolf, where you can get made-to-order pizza, among other delicious items. Campfire Kitchen is next on our list. If you prepaid for breakfast during your stay, this is the main location to come. This is a self-serve buffet that has your basic breakfast cravings. We did not eat lunch or dinner here, so I cannot comment on the food options and quality, but I would assume it was on par with a normal buffet. One evening, we actually drove to Royal Farms, which is a gas station which serves made-to-order food. They have some of the best fried chicken as well, and they are just on the other side of I-95 from Great Wolf. So this is a good option if you want to save a couple of bucks on a meal. Next on our list of food is Timbers, which can be accessed from both Adventure Park as well as the Waterpark. In fact, Timbers is the main dining location inside of the Waterpark. Timbers has several basic options for lunch, including burgers, chicken fingers, bunless burgers, and more. The other location to get a bite to eat inside of the Waterpark is the Watering Hole, which is more of a bar with some snack options. You can get hot and ready pizza and pretzels at the Watering Hole. Directly to the left as you enter the water park, you will find Paddle Bay Outfitters, which is a small gift shop, as well as a shop where you can get goggles and other things you may have forgotten to pack for the kids. Next door is the towel stand, where you can get towels to use during your stay inside of the water park. Do not forget to return your towels though, or else you will be charged $15 per towel when you check out. Now, for what you all have been waiting for, the largest indoor water park that Great Wolf offers. Inside of this water park is 2 slide towers, a large wave pool, an interactive water fort treehouse complete with slides. When you walk into the water park, you are met by the large wave pool called Slaptail Pond. To the left, you run into the life jacket station, where the little ones not quite ready to jump into the deep end alone can get some help. Crooked Creek just sits beyond the station, which has 2 areas to enter and exit. Nestled into the lazy river is the toddler splash pad of Cub Paw Pool, as well as Otter Springs. Both of these share the same 18-inch deep pool. Near the entrance to Cub Paw Pool is the Watering Hole. Just behind Crooked Creek is Chinook Cove, which is where you will find the 3 basketball hoops and poolside rock wall. This area does have a large open area for some relaxing swimming as well. Sharing the same pool basin is Bigfoot Pass, which are large floating lily pads anchored under a cargo net. In the far left corner of the water park is the first of 2 slide towers, where you will find the drop slide of Wolftail and a body slide of Otter Run. Along with those 2 slides, you have the tube slides of Rapid Racers, River Canyon Run, and Chesapeake Plunge. Moving back to the entrance of the water park, going right instead of left, you run into Timbers, which we went over just a little bit ago. Just beyond Timbers, you will find the massive 4-story interactive water fort treehouse of Otter Cave Waterworks. In the same area, you will find the Otter Slides and Falls and Totem Towers. Finally, we come to the second slide tower in Perryville Great Wolf Lodge, which is home to the racing mat slide of Mountain Edge Raceway, tube slide of Coyote Canyon, as well as the body slides of High Paw Howler and Forest Flume. There is something on both of the slide towers that is nice, but kind of hard to see. There are small colored stickers on the steps as you go up with the name of the slide and the color of the slide. If you're like me though, and are blind as a bat without glasses, this is kind of difficult to realize if you don't know they are there. These stickers are on certain sides of the stairs in an attempt to make two different lines on stairs without separating them. A lot of times though, people are not paying attention and just follow whoever is in front of them. If you want to save some headache, there's a good tip, which is to follow the stickers. The fun does not stop underneath of the roof at Perryville. Just outside, you will find a large artificial grass area perfect for playing or laying out catching some sun. There is also a large resort-style walk-in pool where they have outdoor parties occasionally, named Raccoon Lagoon. On the opposite side of the zero-entry pool, there are some loungers that are partly in the water. Sharing the outdoor space is North Hot Springs, which is the outdoor hot tub, as well as the only hot tub found in Perryville. Generally, I have said that Great Wolf Lodge is great for smaller kids 8 and younger, where Kalahari is better for the older kids. However, the Perryville Great Wolf Lodge has changed my opinion with the additional activities and slide options found at this location. My conclusion is that Great Wolf Lodge in Perryville, Maryland is a great weekend getaway for families with kids of all ages to have a fun-packed time. Please, if you enjoyed this overview, be sure to leave a like and subscribe so you do not miss the next adventure. Also, if you want to see what all of the slides on the slide towers feel like before arriving, be sure to watch this video next, where we ride each one of these slides. Until next time, travelers, have a great one.